Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Avax Avalanche daily update. We are going to see a short mid-term price analysis and make, of course, a technical analysis. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with the automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get a manual system, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Okay, so you can join the Telegram groups that I have the link in the description down below as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. So let's go right now to the technical analysis and dive into a non-biased technical analysis. You can see that we are at the 49 Tether USD, the 0.618. We are going to do a mid-term price analysis mostly, and what we need to do is now to test the 53 around there, 53 Tether USD, and then go to the next price targets, which are the 65, 69, 72 and 75. Possible it will be more. Okay, it will be more if we have a little bit of a Fibonacci extension or if we see some other stuff right there. Okay, so right now we can draw another Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, and you can see that we even have the 85 and the 91 Tether USD we will talk about afterwards. Okay, so now I delete this one, and these are more of a short mid-term price targets. The other that I will provide is more actually of mid-term price targets. You can see that the MACD right here is looking fantastic on the daily frame. Even though we are had a bearish cross, we do not care. Okay, we just want a bullish recross around this area and then go even higher than the previous high right here. Let's go to the Avax on the 4-hour frame to see some more short-term price analysis, including the risk metrics. And right now you can see that we have the stochastic RSI in an overbought situation for Avalanche. And of course, we have the RSI going even higher. We do not want to see and stop around there. We do not want a head and shoulders reversal, head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder, the right, and the head. Okay, we do not want that. We want to keep going upwards. And if we do that, then it is very possible to break above some targets right there for Avalanche. Okay. So for the short term, we are looking good. We have 2 out of 3 risk metrics in an overbought situation, but our main factor, the RSI, to tell if we are going up and even go above the 59 or not, is now not in an overbought situation. That is pretty good. The 20-day MA now is about to get a recross above the 50-day MA, which is also good, and we want to see that happening for Avalanche. Let's go now to the daily frame and to see some important risk metrics right there. And first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to open up the SSL HYBRID in case we have a buying opportunity. Here we are, according to the SSL HYBRID on the daily frame, we have a buying opportunity right now, and you can see that the 20-day MA is above the 50-day MA. We even went a little bit down from the 20-day MA, but didn't go down from the 50-day EMA. If we went down from the 50-day EMA, this wouldn't be good, but for now we are absolutely fine. The daily volume is increasing for Avalanche, and of course the best thing right here is that the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. That means we can go even higher for Avalanche, and this will be massive. Okay, so you can see that the stochastic RSI, the commodity channel index actually is not in an overbought. Stochastic, the RSI can go higher than the 70, and it is very good for us. Okay, so let's go to Avax Bitcoin chart. You can see now we found a little bit of a resistance at the 0.618 for the short term. We are on the 4-hour frame, and for Avalanche against Bitcoin chart, we have the stochastic RSI in an overbought. It is possible that we might see a little bit of a bearish movement right here and then go upwards again. It is possible, although if we go above the 0.2010, we are going to the next price target, which is the 0.2011. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame pretty quickly, and here what we have stochastic RSI in an oversold, just like we had back on the USDT chart, Avax against USDT. So now we can confirm that we can go up higher. You can see that the RSI is a little bit on the 50, even higher. You can see that now the card is smiling as well, seeing this movement for Avax Bitcoin chart. And of course, we had a very nice bullish candlestick right here. I think it will close as a bullish candlestick, and maybe we can go to the next targets for Avalanche on the Bitcoin chart, which are the 0.2013, 0.2014, and of course you can see the next one, 0.20 143, 14 to 15, around there. Okay, so I am pretty confident that we can make it and go even higher. Let's go to the price analysis real quickly, because we need to see many things right there. First of all, when are we going to minimize the risk? If we close above the 53, okay, if we close above the 53, we are minimizing the risk, meaning that we can go even higher to the next targets mentioned, 65, 69, the 72 around there, 72 to 73, and the 75 to 76. So these are more of a short midterm targets. If I want to find midterm targets, I will delete all of this one, and I will go and have a retracement from this top to the bottom. Usually what we are doing is drawing a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. Okay, and here we have the 70 Tether USD. Okay, you can see that 70 Tether USD, 78, 84, 90 and 98. Okay, if I draw it from this top to this bottom, it will be actually kind of the same. Okay, so for now you can see that 70, 78, 84, 90 and 98 to 100 Tether USD are the next targets for Avax in case we surpass the 53. So I will have a line around 53 area right here. There we go. Okay, and if we close above the 53, it is very possible, and probably we will go up to the 70, 78, 85, 90 and 98. For example, you can have a very nice swing trade for around 33%, 45, 58, 68 to 70 and 85%. Of course, these targets are if we close above the 53, because then we minimize the risk. I don't want to be the classical moon boy that will tell you Avax will go to 200 Tether USD, but it has many chances of going above the 53 as it is of now. If Bitcoin crashes down and we have a Bitcoin crash on the 4-hour frame, that means we are going down furthermore, then it is very possible that we go down as well and not able to achieve the 53 Tether USD. Okay, so we need a strong Bitcoin. For now, as it seems like the most probable scenario is to go sideways and have another correction going on, rejecting the 20-day, getting rejected actually from the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. So that means for Avalanche, it might go down before we can close the 53. Unfortunately, for now, things aren't looking as good for Bitcoin as they were back on like 20 August or so, a month ago, because we had a very nice massive pump up and Bitcoin was stable going upwards. Okay, right now, Bitcoin is a little bit unstable and it can go downwards furthermore. And this means that we need the Avalanche to be very strong against Bitcoin, not to go down, okay, not to go further down. Let's hope that we can make it above the 53 by the time that Bitcoin remains stable. Okay, we need to make it pretty soon, and of course we are confident that we can do it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.